Hi students, welcome to Circles Part 4. In this session we talk about concyclic points. Okay, if A, B, C and D are said to be concyclic, when can we say these points are concyclic? See, if you consider a circle with center and some radius, if these 4 points lies on the same, if these 4 points lie on the same circle, if these 4 points lie on the same circle on a circumference of a circle, then these 4 points are called or said to be concyclic points. What are those? Concyclic points. These 4 points must lie on the same circle. Okay, this is the definition of concyclic points. Now, here a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are the two lines. These two lines meet the coordinate axis in 4 distinct points. See, these are the coordinate axes. Okay. These are the coordinate axes. They are meeting these two lines. For example, one line a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 is one line, and another line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two lines are intersecting the coordinate axis at 4 distinct points. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 distinct points. Yes. Now, it is a coordinate axis intersecting point we are considered as O origin. Now, if you observe here, these two are behaves like cards only, na? Yes. Okay. Now by comparing, we got here we found here two triangles. Yes. Triangle 1. First triangle is AOB, and another triangle is COD. Another triangle is COD. If you observe, these two are vertically opposite angles. Yes, angle AOB is equal to angle COD, and if you observe, angle CDB or BDC subtended by an angle on the circumference of a circle by an arc BC. Yes, at the same time, the same arc BC subtending another angle on remaining part of the same circle. Yes, so what do I learned in 9th class? Then these two angles, if you take simple words, angle A and angle D are in same segment. Yes, if we consider BC as one segment, this is another segment. These two angles are in same segment. So angles in same segment are equal or not? Yes. So that angle BDC is equal to angle CAB. Angle CAB. Reason is angles in same segment. Angles in same segment. Now, so according to AA similarity, these two triangles are similar triangles. Similarity, AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. What are the two triangles? Triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. So according to the definition of similarity, their corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are equal. So we want here corresponding sides only. What are those corresponding sides? OC by, in this triangle, OC by OA, OC by OB, OB by OC, because this side of OC is opposite to angle D, and what is the equal side to opposite to angle A? OB, that is equal to, here, and the third angle is this one. Yes, now in triangle AOB, what is the side opposite to angle B? OA. and in triangle COD, what is the equivalent angle? Angle C. What is the opposite to angle C? Side opposite to angle C? OD. Yes. So by using this we will get one formula now. See, from this OA into OC is equal to OB into OD. OA into OC is equal to OB into OD. Now, according to this line A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 is intersecting x-axis at point B. It is intersecting x-axis at point B means y coordinate is 0. If y coordinate is 0, then what will be the x value? Minus C1 by A1 comma 0. Y is 0, then minus C1 by A1. Now line AB, that is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, intersecting the y-axis at some point A. If this line intersects the y-axis at some point, then x value is 0. If x is equal to 0, then A1x becomes 0, then yy is equal to, then it becomes b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. From here y is equal to minus c1 by b1. So x coordinate 0, y coordinate is minus c1 by b1. Yes. Now similarly, same here also. It is on y-axis. The point C is on y-axis. Then x coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is, x coordinate 0 means a to x vanishes. This becomes 0. Then y value is minus c2 by b2. Minus c2 by b2. And the point D. And here the point D is same. This point lies on x-axis. So y coordinate is 0. So if y coordinate is 0, then a to x plus c2 is equal to 0. Since y is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus c2 by a2. Minus c2 by a2. So here x coordinate is minus c2 by a2. Y coordinate is 0. Yes. Now can you guess what is the distance from origin to the point A? Mod c1 by b1. Modulus of this distance is always positive magnitude, so that we consider OA value as c1 by b1. So here OA is equal to, the distance from origin to the A is nothing but y coordinate. That is modulus of OA is equal to c1 by b1. b1. OB. Similarly, OC is equal to modulus of C2 by B2, that is equal to C2 by B2. And OB is equal to modulus of C1 by A1 is equal to C1 by A1. See, OB distance from origin to the point B, nothing but x coordinate. OD is here also x coordinate, that is modulus of C2 by B2. A2. That is equal to C2 by A2. Now if you substitute these values in this, we get the answer. See, now I am substituting. Then if you substitute in this relation, OA value C1 by B1 into OC C2 by B2, that is equal to OB C1 by A1 into OD C2 by A2. By product C1 into C2 by B1 into B2 is equal to, here C1 into C2 by A1 into A2. So these two gets cancelled. So if you cross multiply, you will get A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2. This is the condition to satisfy if the two lines intersects or cut the coordinate axis in four distinct points, then these points are coinciding. If these points are coinciding, if and only if, this meaning is if and only if A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2. It is the most important point in exam point of view, not only in IPE, MCET, JEE mains also. Okay, is it clear? So whether this derivation is secondary, but how to get this formula, just I derived. But most important point, we have to remember this point. Okay, based on this, many questions will be. Okay, my dear children, here what are a1, a2, b1, b2 coefficients of the given lines? a1 x coefficient, y coefficients. So a1 into a2 equal to b1, b2. If this condition satisfies, we can say that these two lines are cut the coordinate axis in 4 distinct points, and those 4 distinct points are concyclic. Okay, are you clear? Yes. I hope you all of you understood this concept. Okay, students. Based on this concept, shall we solve one problem? Yes. See here, the given lines are x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, 3x plus ay minus 7 is equal to 0. Cut the coordinate axis in cyclic points, means 4 points. Then find the value of a. We already know the formula. What is that? a1, a2 is equal to b1, b2. From here, what is the x coefficient? 1. So list out the coefficients here. This is the formula. So a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 2. Yes. Here a2 x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to plus a. Including sign, what to consider? We no need to consider the c1, c2 values because of in our formula there is no c1, c2 value. So directly substitute in the. So 1 into a1 into a2, 1 into 3 is equal to minus 2 into a. So 3 is equal to minus 2a. That means 2a is equal to minus 3, a is equal to minus 3 by 2. Is it clear? So very simple. If you know this condition, then we can solve it easily. Okay, it is most selected for MCET JEE also. Is it clear? So based on this, we can frame number of problems. Okay, so prepare thoroughly this concept. I hope you are all clear about this topic. Thank you.